The wait is finally over for action camera enthusiasts. The GoPro Hero 14 Black has officially arrived, and it's packing features that are hard to ignore. Months of rumors, leaks, and speculation have led up to this moment. And now it's time to see if GoPro's latest flagship truly lives up to the hype. With cutting-edge 8K video, smarter stabilization, longer battery life, and seamless connectivity, the Hero 14 Black promises to push the boundaries of action filmmaking. But here's the big question. Is it a groundbreaking leap forward, or just another incremental update? Starting with design, the Hero 14 Black keeps GoPro's rugged, waterproof build while introducing subtle but meaningful refinements. The body is now slimmer and sleeker with improved heat management, allowing creators to shoot longer without overheating. The buttons have been redesigned for better tactile feedback, perfect for filming with gloves or in wet conditions. On the display side, the front screen boasts a higher refresh rate, while the rear touchscreen is brighter, making framing easy even under harsh sunlight. These small upgrades show that GoPro is truly focused on user-friendly performance, where the Hero 14 Black really shines is performance. It offers native 8K at 30 FPS for cinematic visuals. A 4K at 240 FPS delivers jaw-dropping, slow-motion footage perfect for sports and high-intensity action. A larger sensor enhances low-light performance, capturing sharper, cleaner footage in concerts, night trails, or indoor arenas. The 7th generation hyper-smooth stabilization ensures buttery smooth footage in even the most extreme conditions. Whether you're speeding down a mountain trail or leaping out of a plane, GoPro hasn't stopped at raw specs. New AI-powered tools make filming smarter and faster. AI-assisted framing keeps your subject perfectly centered, while advanced horizon leveling locks orientation even when the camera flips upside down, ideal for extreme sports enthusiasts. Cinematic presets allow you to capture professional-looking footage instantly, and quick capture modes get you rolling in seconds. These tools save time, letting creators focus on the action, not the controls. Battery life sees a significant boost too. The larger, more efficient battery delivers nearly 2.5 hours of 4K recording, and USB-C fast charging gets it back to 80% in under 30 minutes. Connectivity is smoother than ever with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, making file transfers faster. The GoPro app now offers enhanced editing tools, stronger cloud backups, and even live 4K streaming, letting creators share adventures instantly. Taken together, the GoPro Hero 14 Black isn't just a minor update, it's a massive step forward in design, performance, and creativity. For adventurers, vloggers, athletes, or content creators, it's shaping up to be one of GoPro's most complete and powerful cameras ever. So what do you think? Are these upgrades a true leap forward, or is your current GoPro still enough? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this review, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech insights right here on GadgetVerse.